Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be testing some slime I have. I only really have like 3 containers, so yeah, this is going to be a really short video. Anyway, oh my god, there's like a freaking spider in my room. I just noticed that. Oh my god, you guys have to see it. Look, it's like so freaking big. It's a freaking spider. It's right there. Oh my god, it's so crazy. Kill that little poop. Sorry, I'm kind of a little wonky. See it in action. I'm going to cha-ching. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh my god. Where'd it go? Did I kill it? Well, wasn't that nice? Anyway, I just uploaded a video of me testing weird soda candy that I got from the deli. Go watch that video. Remember, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, so let's get started. The slimes I have are, I have this orange slime, this like mint green slime, and then this purple slime that freaking sucks, but you know what? I made this because I have no experience with slime, and it's like weird. It's super hard. Like, I just poked it, and that's what it looks like. You poke it. It doesn't even stretch. Okay, yeah, I'm literally saying it doesn't even stretch while I'm stretching it. Yeah, okay, so yeah, basically that doesn't even stretch. And it's so weird. Sorry if you hear like TV background noises, it's just, yeah, you know, family disturbing you. And yeah, so that's the purple slime. And the next slime is the mint green slime. Now this one, I use the borax one because I usually use like, what's it called? The contact solution one, because it's like safer. This one, oh my god, it feels so good, and I think it stretches. I'm not sure. I didn't really check it. Oh my god, it sounds so good. I know, that's so weird the way. I can like play with this forever. Isn't this so cool? It's a little sticky. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to fold it like this. Isn't that so beautiful? Okay, next slime. Let me just put this back in the bag. Okay, here we go. Let me close it if it wants to close. Yes, I know this is a very long process. Poopy, I'm gonna fold that later. Okay, next up is the orange one. This one and the green one are actually my favorite ones. So I don't like to poke it when it's in the container. Ready? Oh no, it feels like the purple one. Okay, I gotta take it out. It's stretchy. Well, it's always been stretchy, but I think it's more stretchy. Oh my god, this is so awesome. I love this slime. Woo! This is like this is the most successful slime I've ever had. I don't know how you get it to be so like non-sticky, but also very stretchy at the same time. Like, I don't understand. Do you keep adding borax or shaving cream? I'm confused. Because apparently when I do both, it just doesn't work. My nose is touchy. Oh my god, I love this slime. Excuse me.
You gotta put your stuff away, sweetheart.
I'm making a YouTube video. Now cue skedaddle.
What about your Barbie stuff?
Just get out. Dads, aren't they the worst? Okay, yes, sorry for that interrupting? I don't know. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, tonight I have my aunt's 50th surprise party. And I am going to, ready? I'm going to do a get ready with, no, I can't do a get ready with me, sorry. I'm going to film me there, and we're going to film the surprise thing because it's going to be so happy, and I'm going to be so happy. It's going to be exciting. I'm excited for the cake. That's all I really care about. Cake! The cake is the best. Okay, now that all that's away, sorry for the short video. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.